Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember that video where we did an exploratory surgery on that pipe? Well, let's give it another look-see. So let's get you set up in the holder here. And let's turn on some light so as you can see it good. Remember when I showed you just how bad it was down inside the pipe? How bad it was? Now look at it. That hole is, let me get you a straight on shot and good light. That's probably too much light. Just enough light and a straight on shot. So you can now see that that hole is much, much better. You're wondering, how did you get in there and get that hole taken care of? All that slag left over covering off that exhaust port. Well, you get some of these, and they don't last very long. They are good for getting down inside there, but this is the rig that gets down inside there. Just a regular old Harbor Freight step drill bit and an extension, regular old extension that you can buy at Harbor Freight. You just scroll that up in your gun and you pop that on, and now you can get down inside there. And let me get you a little bit better angle. You see how that gets all the way down in there now, and it doesn't take much to get down in there. Clean that up. And if you want, like I said, you can use these. You buy these, they won't last very long. You get them, they're like a couple of bucks each from China. You get down in there, you can finish cleaning up the edges, what the drill bit doesn't get. Just a kind of a finished drill. But they will lose their teeth rapidly. You can see that? Yeah. Let me show you. They come in these sleeves. I'll show you these sleeves. They come in all these sleeves, right? And they come with, you know, a ball end or a cone end. You see that one's already chewed up a little bit. This is supposed to go in there. They come with a snub nose, cones. So, that's how we do that. Ciao.